Maximize and minimize z is equal to 600x plus 400y subjected to the constraints x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, 2x plus y less than or equal to 12, 4x plus 5y greater than or equal to 20, x greater than 0, y greater than or equal to 0 by the graphical method. So solution. First consider first constraint. Consider x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. So equation x plus 2y equal to 12. Put x equal to 0. Then 0 plus 2y equal to 12. So y equal to 12 by 2. So 6. Put y equal to 0. Then x plus 2 into 0 equal to 12. So x equal to 12. Therefore, coordinate points are x equal to 0, y equal to 6 and x equal to 12 and y equal to 0. Second equation, consider 2x plus y less than or equal to 12. Therefore, 2x plus y equal to 12. Put x equal to 0. Then 2 into 0 plus y equal to 12. You will get a y equal to 12. And put y equal to 0. Then 2x plus y equal to 12. So 2x equal to 12. X equal to 12 by 2. You will get a x equal to 0. Therefore, coordinate points are x equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 12 and y equal to x equal to 6, y equal to 0. Next, consider next equation. Consider 4x plus 5y greater than or equal to 20. So we write 4x plus 5y equal to 20. Therefore, put x equal to 0. Then 4x plus 5y equal to 20. So 5y equal to 20. Therefore, y equal to 20 by 5, y equal to 4. Next, put y equal to 0. Then 4x plus 5y equal to 20. So 4x equal to 20, x equal to 20 by 4. So x equal to 5. Therefore, coordinates points are x equal to 0, y equal to 4 and x equal to 5 and y equal to 0. Now graph. In graph, take points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write the scale as x-axis 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter, y-axis 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. So for the first equation, coordinates points are 0, 6. This is the origin 0, 0, 6 here, 0, 6 and 12, 0, 0 here, 12, 0. So now join the points. Write the equation of the line. So x plus 2y equal to 12. So second equation, coordinates points are 0, 12, 0, 12 here, 0, 12 and 6, 0 here. 6, 0. Okay, now join the points using scale. So write the equation of the line 2x plus y equal to 12. Next, third one, coordinates points 0, 4, 0, 4 and 5, 0. 5, 0. Now join the points. So write the equation of the line. Third one, 4x plus 5y equal to 20. Okay. Now first constraints, x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. X plus 2y less than or equal to 12. So shade below the line. First constraints, x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. So below the line, shade below the line, x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. Next one, 2x plus y less than or equal to 12. So this line, 2x plus y less than or equal to 12. Again below the line, shade below the line. Next one, 4x plus 5y greater than or equal to 20. So above the line. Okay. So x greater than or equal to 0. So in the x-axis above the line, and y greater than or equal to 0 in the y-axis above the line. So this region is common for all the constraints. So shade darkly. Now mark the corner point A of 0, 6, B of 0, 4 and C of 4, x equal to 4, y equal to 4 and D of 0, 6 and E of 5, 0. Therefore, the shaded region is the feasible region A, B, C, D, E determined by the system of constraints which is bounded. Therefore, the coordinates points of corner points are A of 0, 6, B of 0, 4, C of 4, 4 and D of 6, 0 and E of 5, 0. So by finding the value of z, we got minimum value is 2400 and maximum value is 4000. Minimum value of z is 2400 at point 0, 6 and maximum value of z is 4000 at point 4, 4.